How can a truck's black box help in my injury case? Commercial trucks throughout the nation are equipped with something called a black box. That's also known as an event data recorder, or EDR. This is a vital piece of information and vital piece of evidence needed after every single truck accident case. This is the most essential thing you can gather, and you need to make sure you secure this data so you can support your claim and prove your case if you've been injured in a truck accident case. The first most important thing about this is that EDR, it records all the data that happened right before and right upon impact of that accident. It will record things like the rate of speed the truck driver, whether the truck driver was wearing a seatbelt. It will record the levels of torque on his steering wheel, record the RPMs and the engine. It will show everything. So if the truck driver was asleep, the truck driver was accelerating, the truck driver didn't hit his brakes, all of that information is recorded and kept. And the preservation of this evidence is key to preserving your claim against both the trucking company and the driver of that truck. Now, this data provides objective information that will help to go ahead and solidify your claim and back up your actual testimony. So what does that mean? That means if you were saying something, if you were saying you were rear-ended, you were saying that a truck went into you in your lane, your evidence is great, but this data is better. This data is critical to proving that the truck driver was negligent when you were impacted in that accident as well. And it is critical to actually quantifying the damages for your injury as well. Insurance companies look at a lot of things when they're assessing how much is your claim worth, what is your injury. And one of those things is speed at the 8 rate of impact. They look at smaller speeds as less injury. Therefore, in their system, they quantify those as less value. If we can show the truck driver was driving 20, 30, 40 miles an hour, or happened on the highway, the damages are going to be much more significant. Their system is going to populate a higher value for your return. It's not just your doctors telling you what your injuries are. This also plays into effect. And any expert we hire on your behalf can use that data, can show the impact of a 40 mile per hour hit, 20 mile per hour hit on the rear end of your vehicle. It can prove in causation, which is why you were injured. If you have been involved in a truck accident, give an experienced truck accident attorney a call. You can call me, Scott Leaser, at the Leaser Law Firm. We're here to help you.